record. Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Yes, now from wasaton. Dua.
G.
Yes, read from wasaton. May Allah grant you shifa. Yes, this one. Have you?
Hello.
Yes, this one. Read it.
Wow. Zabarwa. Zabarsa.
Yes.
Wasa. Todo. Zabertun. Wasatan.
وقفا.
Wakufan.
وسطا.
Wasato. Next wala perspective. Hello.
जी कंटिन्यू करें.
To zaber to ba zaberba toba goes there ki
तो
to
okay. Again, to zabar to.
zaber to
Yes.
ba zaberba toba
Yes. Toba.
toba
I mean, we have to read the harakat, zabar, zir, and pesh. In a shorter mood, and we cannot prolong it. So toba, not toba. Then at the end there is qaf. Yes, qaf do.
there
Yes.
kin
Yes.
toba
Qaf is
kin
always thick and heavy. And the other point, we should read tanween with gunna.
acha
Yes. Qaf do zir qin. Toba.
kof kof to there kin toba kin
Waqufan.
wakufan
Tabaqu.
toba
Tabaqu.
tobacco army perspective
Yes, yes.
kita topish two
No. One is remaining, I think. Tabaqan. We have done tabaqin, and then there is tabaqan.
oh wala
Yes.
I thought हम लोग ने ये वाला करा
अच्छा चले.
to zaber to ba zaber ba toba what kata tado zabertan tobatan
Okay. Watch closely. Is it ta or something else? This one. طا زبر طا با زبر با طابا and then
Taun. Hello?
طابا yes قاف دو زبر قن
Oh. Qaf do zabarkan. Tabakan. Minute.
وقفا
Wakufan.
yes طبقا
Tabako.
next Hmm. لا بأس طهور إن شاء الله you will be cured by the grace of Allah okay read the next طابش
Topish. Two.
yes
Wow. The Sabr. One. Two. One.
yes
Wakufan. Um. Um. Two. One.
وقفا طوى
Wakufan. Two.
yes okay now try the next new line
Acha. Oh, God.
yes this is like one
Hamza.
this is not Hamza because Hamza is always separate Hamza cannot join the other letters it looks like Hamza what else
Ha.
it can be what else it can be
Ha.
no this is Ain
Ain. Ain zabar a. Ba zabar ba. Aba. Sa zabar sa. Abasa. Ain zabar a. Dal
وقفا yes وقفا عبس
abas.
عبس وقفا عبس
Wakufan. Habas. Ain zabar a. Dal zabar da. Ada. Lab zabar la. Adala.
عدل
Adala.
وقفا عدل
Wakufan. Adal.
yes
Next वाला कर सकती हूँ. Ain zabar a. Lam zabar la. Ala. Qaf.
على
Ala.
yes
Qaf.
حركات are always shorter okay
अच्छा. Ka. Ka. Qaf. Look at Zerki. Qaf Zerku. Qaf Zerki.
قاف دو زير قن
Qaf Zerkin.
علق
لكن
وقفا
وقفا
علق.
علق
شاباش.
إن زبر
Yes.
آ
عين زبرعة.
عين زبر آم، ميم زبر ما
Yes. ميم زبرمة.
ميم زبر ما أما
Yes.
دال دور زير دين
Yes. Tanween has
أما
gunna. Okay. Yes. Dal do zir din.
دال دور زير دين
Shabash. Very
أما
nice.
دين
وقفا عمد.
وقفا أمد
Yes. عمد.
أمد
Yes.
أين زيادة إي
عين زرعي.
أين زيادة إي
نون زبرنا.
نون زبرنا
عينا.
أم أم إينا
عينا.
إينا
بادو زبربن.
بعد زبربا
عنبا.
إنبا
وقفا
وقفا
عنبا.
إنبا
Okay, this is your new lesson.
मुझे
And
आपको एक क्वेश्चन बताना है
जी मुझे आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछना है, बताना नहीं है. When you ask a question in Urdu, you say मैंने एक क्वेश्चन, एक सवाल पूछना है. Say it.
मुझे एक सवाल पूछना है
शाबाश जी, पूछें.
ये मैंने ये सादा वाला ये वाला सादा पढ़ा मेरा लास्ट क्लास में
Say it again.
मैंने ये वाला पेज पढ़ लिया मेरा ओल्ड सपारा क्लास में
Okay.
ये पूरी ऑलरेडी
आप ये पेज पढ़ चुकी थी.
जी
You have already studied this page, but there were very serious mistakes when I checked and when I uh, taken your test, or I should say given you the test. So you were making serious mistakes about the harakat, about the tanween, and the some recognition of the words and letters were weak. That's why we are repeating this page. Okay?
ठीक है पर मेरा ओल्ड वाला टीचर didn't teach me तमिल
Okay, they didn't teach you the way I teach.
जी
Yes. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept and grant us the blessing. You are, mashallah, putting much effort and being, in spite of being, having the throat problems, the coughing and the running nose, everything, You are regular in the classes. I really, really appreciate it. I like it. And inshallah, Aziz, you will learn much more better and many more things. Inshallah. Are you willing to do that?
जी
MashaAllah. Okay. Now, back to some revision stuff. And we are running out of time. The Fajr Namaz time is real closer now. Stop the sharing. Okay. And now, if you remember, we were talking about the Friday and Thursday. All the days are created by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. None of them is unblessed. Okay?
अच्छा
All we can earn the blessings of Allah every day, every night, each morning and each evening.
अच्छा
But few days and the few nights, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told us through the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that some certain nights and some certain days are more blessed and cause the more blessing if we do any good deed during those days. So today is Thursday night in your country and Friday morning in my country here. Okay.
अच्छा
So uh, I don't know in which class I told you to read durood Shareef excessively every day, but especially on Thursday and Friday. Okay.
okay
And you didn't know then what was the durood Shareef. And I told you when we ask for the blessings upon the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that's the durood Shareef. Yes or no?
जी
So let's practice. 2 or 3 minutes are remaining. Sallallahu ala Muhammad.
sallallahu ala Muhammad
Sallallahu alayhi wasallam.
sallallahu alayhi Muhammad
Sallallahu ala Muhammad. Sallallahu alayhi wasallam.
sallallahu alayhi
Ala Muhammad.
ala Muhammad
Sallallahu alayhi wasallam.
sallallahu
Okay. We are sticking to the first sentence only so that you don't get confused. Sallallahu ala Muhammad.
sallallahu ala Muhammad
Yes, only this one. Sallallahu ala Muhammad.
sallallahu ala Muhammad
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 Okay, can you read it on your own?
जी
Try.
Okay. Sallallahu ala Muhammad.
Yes, again.
Sallallahu ala Muhammad.
The word is ala. Ala Muhammad. Okay. Sallallahu ala Muhammad. Say it.
Sallallahu ala Muhammad.
Sallallahu ala Muhammad.
Sallallahu Muhammad.
Ala. Okay. Ala. Sallallahu ala Muhammad.
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 Okay, keep repeating it during your play. Okay, Sallallahu ala Muhammad. Keep repeating it. This is not something that you need to recite only while you are sitting properly. No, you can read it everywhere, every good place you can read and recite it. Okay, not inside the washroom or inside the restroom. No, 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 no. Otherwise, you can read it everywhere while playing, while drawing. Getting my point?
Ji.
Okay, very nice class, mashallah. I liked it. And now the time is the Fajr namaz time. We have to offer 5 daily prayers: Fajr, Zuhr, Asr, Maghrib, and Isha. Do you remember?
Ji.
So I'm going to offer prayer Fajr, and you ask your mom what namaz time is it, and you should offer that namaz. Okay?
Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.